Certified by the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Well, the old weather computer only partially reboots, and that tells me it's a bad hard drive. So our trusty weather computer is going to get a new hard drive later this evening. But when life hands you certainly lemons, you make lemonade. We're going to make some sweet lemonade today, folks, even though our graphics computer crashed at 4 o'clock today. Notice our current heat indices, though. This is what it feels like outside. Notice generally about 100 to 107 degrees. Now, the reason why the heat index is higher in the northwest, those soils up by Morocco have more moisture. So we're evaporating more water up there. That's why there's more humidity. The heat index is higher in our northern counties. But if you look at the current temperatures, the higher readings are down in our southern counties. 96 Atlanta, 96 Kokomo. Notice where the Lafayette is, 95 degrees. That's our high for the day. 93 up there at Remington and 91 at Morocco. Now, right now we are totally capped. There's not even a single puffy cumulus cloud anywhere in the area. Just some high, thin cirriform clouds and a nice brisk southwest wind. But we've got a cold front to our northwest. Now, this is a weak cold front. Nonetheless, it did bring a lot of severe weather to Minnesota, parts of Wisconsin last night. You can see a little band of showers up here to our north. What I think is going to happen as the evening wears on, I do think a line of severe storms will form here to our northwest, and this is going to start to sag southeastward. Now, this line of storms will likely make it to the Kankakee River probably around the midnight hour, roughly, up in this area. And I think at that point it could still have some damaging winds with it. However, as it continues to move southward, it will likely really start to break up a lot and gust out. And by the time it gets down here close to the I-74 corridor, there may not be much of it left at all. So your best chance of getting a cooling thunderstorm tonight will be north of Lafayette, and the best chance of any damaging straight line wind will be north of Lafayette. So I'm going to zoom in here and show you some communities in this area that would be under that threat. Again, with the line of storms coming in from the northwest, Rensselaer, Madairyville, Fowler, Royal Center, Logansport, pretty much this area along that line and points north. You've got the potential of getting perhaps a couple pockets of damaging straight line wind out of this. And then as it moves south towards Lafayette and south of there, it's going to be in a weakening phase. We'll have to keep an eye on that, but that's the best guesstimate right now at the current time. Once that front goes through, we are in good shape. It's going to be dry, but still pretty hot the rest of the upcoming week. And the next chance of any scattered storm would be on Friday. So let's check out the 7-day forecast right here. Again, we're going to take you Wednesday through Tuesday of next week. First of all, notice the temperatures. Still hot. 90 Wednesday, 90 Thursday, up to 93 by next Tuesday. Overnight lows, upper 60s to right around 70 degrees. And in terms of rainfall, if you want any storms at all, they're going to be on Friday. That's the best potential of any scattered storm after tonight, guys.
All right, Chad, thank you.
Yes.
Well, two environmental groups in the state of Indiana are trying to stop the I-69 extension.
And Planned Parenthood is getting a grant from the state of Indiana. We'll tell you what that money will be used for. Those stories.